My name is Giulio Bonetti. I'm the Managing Director at TriStar. TriStar is an industrial electrical automation firm specialising in food and beverage, water, waste, wine and manufacturing. We've had a long-standing relationship with our customers. We've been with them for over 33 years and they come to TriStar looking for increased efficiency. Also, some high level of visibility around the equipment so they're able to increase the reliability of their plant equipment and of course some return on investment. Tessus Island is a digital load management solution that makes machines smarter and more reliable for our customers. We chose Tessus Island because they're very competitive in the marketplace. It was a reliable solution that we had tested against other players in the market. Its features were access to real-time data to give the customer a view of the equipment as it's running, and the support from the Schneider Electric team was fantastic. The benefits of this product are the prediction of long-term assets, being able to identify how long it's been in operation, how many faults it's had during the week, month and year, and be able to predict some of the things that causes them downtime during the normal operations. Tessus Island was able to bring that information to the customer's fingertips. At TriStar, we're excited for the future, embracing all forms of technology. We see Schneider Electric as a valuable partner in this space, driving solutions for all of our customers.